Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2006, the Disney Channel original movie, High School Musical, first aired. Its story, well, it's a modern adaptation of Romeo and Juliet, with an unlikely pair landing the leading roles in the school musical, throwing off the social order. High School Musical was the most successful DCOM of its time, with a record 7.7 million viewers of the premiere. It became a franchise with sequel films, spin-off TV shows, a concert tour, a stage musical, an ice show, a theme park cavalcade, and more. Did you see them? I saw some of them. Anyway, it came out 20 years ago today. What's your favorite song from it? I think We're All in This Together is pretty good, but I don't know. Anyway, have a magical day.